Hey Kelton, I'll give you a bunch of money, like $30, to do the cinnamon challenge.
Ground cinnamon or just regular cinnamon, what?
Just ground cinnamon, watch. I'll get this thing set up.
Peace out, Mom.
Hold that. See if we can get any cinnamon.
Okay, I'm doing it.
Wait.
That's good. I really have to do it.
Come on, Kelton. There we go. Whole spoonful. Just wait. Okay, you ready?
No.
Go do it. Do it now. All that money. No licking it first.
You're right, it does get stuck.
Stick the whole thing in your mouth. Now go. Before I take this money back. All of it.